Good morning, everyone. I, Saraswati Yadav, currently pursuing MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll discuss about derivative products. Let us see what is derivatives. The word derivatives originated in mathematics and refers to a variable that has been derived from another variable. For example, a measure of distance in kilometer could be derived from a measure of distance in miles by dividing by 1.61, or similarly, a measure of temperature in Celsius could be derived from the measure of the temperature in Fahrenheit. Next, we'll see the forward contracts. Forwards contracts. A forward contract is a contract made today for delivery of an asset at a pre-specified time in the future at a price agreed upon today. Next, we'll see underlying assets. What does mean by underlying assets? It gives derivatives their value. For example, an option on stock XYZ gives the holder the right to buy or sell XYZ at the up strike price up until expiration. The underlying asset for the option is the stock of XYZ. Next, we'll see why forward contracts. There are customized contracts unlike futures. Features of forward contracts. There are several features. We'll see first, there are bilateral negotiated contract between two parties and hence exposed to counterparty risk. Second, each contract is custom designed and hence is unique in terms of contract size, expiration date, and the asset type, quality, etc. Next, we'll see advantages and disadvantages of forwards. Firstly, what are the advantages? No upfront margin money requirement, forex risk of currency rate fluctuations completely eliminated, over the counter product and customizable, provides very high degree of hedging and risk aversion, etc. Now the disadvantages, it requires blocking of capital funds as there are no intermediary cash flows before settlement, very high degree of counterparty default risk as these are no regulated. It may become extremely difficult to find a counterparty as there does not exist a proper market of the same unlike future. Next, we'll see the another derivative product, that is future contract. Unlike forward contracts, future are standardized contract traded on exchanges through this clearing house and avoid counterparty risks through margin money and much more. What is future contract? A future contract is a standardized agreement between the seller of the contract and the buyer, traded on the future exchanges to buy, sell, or certain underlying instrument at a certain date in the future at a pre-specified price. Characteristics of future contract. Future contract are highly standardized contract that provides for performance of contracts through either deferred delivery of assets or final cash settlement. Contract seller is called short and buyer long. Now let's see the trading mechanism in future. A brief discussion on basic terms and institutions involved in the future trading is presented below. Clearinghouse and open interest are the mechanism for trading. Margin requirement, initial margin, maintenance margin. Now we'll see the methods of settling future. There are several methods. First is physical delivery, second is offsetting, third is cash delivery. That's all. Here is the short summary of forward and future contract. Next, what are options and how to the work? Options are the types of derivative contracts including call option and put options. The future payoffs to the buyer and seller of the contract are determined by the price of another security. The seller has obligation to honor the terms of the contract. There is buying call option explained in the below diagram. Writing a call option. How do option works? Since the option gives the holder a right and the seller an obligation, the buyer pays the option premium to the seller. Traders in exchange traded option do not usually interact directly but through a clearinghouse. The clearinghouse guarantees that an assigned seller will fulfill his obligation if the option is exercised. Let us discuss what are the factors affecting option valuation. There are different factors. Firstly, the price of the underlying security in relation to second strike price. Third, cumulative cost required to hold a position in the security. Fourth, time to expiration. Fifth, estimate of the future volatility of the securities price. Next, trading option, the most common way to trade stock option in trading standardized option contract. Option contract and payoffs. Thank you.